Ever wondered if Zelle is a safe haven for your hard-earned money? What happens if you fall victim to a scam? Let's dive into the world of Zelle and explore its safety features and what to do if the worst happens. Part 1. Understanding Zelle. What is Zelle? A peer-to-peer payment service. How it works, simple steps. Popularity and common uses. Zelle's security measures. Encryption protocols. Bank partnerships. Fraud monitoring systems. Common scams targeting Zelle users. Phishing scams. Fake invoices and requests. Romance scams. Emergency scams. Part 2. What happens if you get scammed? Immediate steps. Contact your bank immediately. Report the scam to Zelle. Change your passwords. Monitor your accounts closely. Zelle's role. Investigating scams. Recovering funds, if possible. Limitations and challenges. Legal recourse. Law enforcement involvement. Civil lawsuits. Challenges and limitations. Part 3. Tips for safe Zelle usage. Verify recipients. Double-check names and numbers. Use trusted contacts. Be wary of urgent requests. Avoid rushing decisions. Verify information independently. Protect your personal information. Be cautious of sharing sensitive details. Use strong passwords. Educate yourself. Stay informed about scams and best practices. Utilize online resources. Part 4. Alternative payment methods. Comparing Zelle to other options. Venmo, PayPal, and traditional bank transfers. Pros and cons of each. Choosing the right method. Consider factors like speed, fees, and security. Personal preferences and needs. Conclusion. Recap key points. Zelle's security measures. Steps to take if scammed. Tips for safe usage. Alternative payment options. Final thoughts. While Zelle can be a convenient payment method, it's essential to be vigilant. Knowledge and awareness are key to protecting yourself. Call to action. Share the video with others. Subscribe for more financial tips. Leave a comment with your experiences. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching. Remember, staying informed and taking precautions is vital in the digital age. Until next time, stay safe and happy transacting.